Mae'r noswaith yma yn Merthyr I gyd am y bocswyr yn y sgwar, ond mae rhaid stopio I gael gair gyda'r gŵr yma. Pen campwr byd, Lee Selby. Lee, thanks very much for giving up your time. This must take you back a bit. Fantastic venue for young boxers, where it all began for you.
That's it. I started my professional career on the small horse shows, similar to this, in Newport, South Wales. You know, and this is the base for most professional boxers who didn't have that standout amateur career, who weren't Olympians or gold medal winners in major tournaments like myself. This is where we learn our trade.
And the fact that you've got, you know, free-to-air television cameras here, anybody can watch these bouts. It's got to be great for these young boxers.
That's it. Anybody can tune in across the country, and it's great coverage for the boxers.
I'll ask a little about what happened to you. You know, we all know about Vegas. You fought since at the O2, great victory there. But what is next for Lee Selby?
Well, I'm hoping for the big fight next. You know, I had that bad time in Las Vegas, which should have been the highlight of my career, but sadly it wasn't. Then I had the fight two weeks ago against Donny Gago from Spain. I got a win, got a few rounds under my belt, and now I'm looking for the big fight, maybe a unification fight, or at least a world title defense.
Name names, come on Lee, name names.
Well, the three main fighters I'd like to face are Frampton, Leo Santa Cruz, and Abner Mares in any order.
Fantastic. And back to tonight quickly. You here for any reason in particular? Got your eye on anybody fighting?
Well, the guys running the show, the Senegal Promotions, they manage myself, so I'm here supporting them. And also there's a few of my teammates boxing. We got Gavin Gwynn, who I've sparred a number of rounds with. So he just boxed in and won. So I'm here to support all the guys in general.
Thank you very much. The IBF Featherweight Champion of the World, Lee Selby.